The Ram 1500 ETorque features an advanced Uconnect infotainment system that lets you customize the display language for a personalized driving experience. This video will guide you through the simple steps to customize your infotainment system to your preferred language, enhancing usability and convenience. As of 2026, the Ram 1500 ETorque supports up to 20 languages thanks to recent Stellantis updates. Available languages include English, Spanish, French, German, and many more, ensuring a localized experience. First, ensure your Ram 1500 ETorque is in park with the ignition on. On the Uconnect touchscreen, locate and tap either the Apps or Settings icon. Next, select System or Vehicle Settings. From there, navigate to Languages or Language and Region to access the list of available languages. This section may vary slightly depending on your Uconnect version, 5.0 or 6.0. Once you're in the Language Settings menu, you'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and tap on your desired language. You may be prompted to confirm your selection. After confirming, the system might require a brief restart to fully apply the new language settings. This process is seamless and doesn't require any special tools or a dealership visit. Some Uconnect systems support voice commands for changing the language. If your system has this feature, you can simply say, "Change language to Spanish." The system will then prompt you to confirm the change. This feature offers a hands-free way to adjust your language settings while driving, promoting safety and convenience. Language settings are saved per driver profile. If your Ram 1500 ETorque has multi-user mode enabled, this means each driver can have their own preferred language setting. These settings are also synced via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi if you have a Stellantis account, ensuring your preferences are maintained across software updates and reboots. While changing the system language on your Ram 1500 ETorque is usually smooth, you might encounter minor issues. Let's look at the most common ones and how to fix them. One common issue is a brief lag of 1 to 2 seconds when switching languages, particularly in vehicles with older software builds. If the language change doesn't take effect after selecting it, try restarting the Uconnect system. This usually resolves temporary glitches. To prevent glitches, make sure your Uconnect software is up to date. Software updates often include fixes for language switching issues. No major bugs have been reported in 2025, but Stellantis has issued patches for minor language switching issues that can occur during over-the-air updates. Customizing the system language provides significant benefits for drivers. A Stellantis user survey in Canada showed a 15% reduction in user frustration with voice commands when French-speaking users switched to French-Canadian settings. Fleet operators in Mexico saw a 10% productivity boost after customizing their ETorque trucks to Spanish. These real-world examples highlight how language customization enhances usability and driver satisfaction.